I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. Good morning, everybody. We are just filled up the gas station. I got these bacons, pork skins, hot and spicy, which will be good. I got this chicken and cheese monster taquito, and I got this huge extra mile. Look at this extra mile, 2 liters of pop. Trish got her Pringles, and we are ready to go. We are going to the Malibu beach. Let's go, guys. Is John Paul Getty's mansion here. If you look at this sign right here that says the Getty Villa, it's that villa. We're gonna probably see it here on the corner. I'm not gonna stop and go in or anything like that, but it's up here on the right hand side. Oh shoot, we're not gonna be, oh, we might be able to see it. It's right there. That's just a corner of it. But for those of you who don't know who John Paul Getty is, he's the most wealthiest oil person in the world. His villa was here, overlooking the ocean, which is pretty cool. He's dead now, but he was very rich and didn't spend any of his money either. So now we're just battling traffic. Let me tell you, there's a lot of Teslas out here. A lot of Teslas, a lot of Mercedes, and a lot of BMWs. Very rare Honda Civics. Right here's the Getty Villa too, where you can see the sign to go up to it. Well, we pitched up. Trisha's here.
Hi.
We have finally made it to Malibu Beach. And before I show you the beach, I'm going to show you the nice hills. There's like a lot of smog here though. And then if you look, oh shoot, came out of focus. If you look way down there, there's a lot of people surfing. This beach is pretty much a surf beach. There's literally no one swimming in the water. They're all surfing. So this is like the surf beach if you're into surfing. And Trish, well, Trish ain't swimming today because she got a really bad burn yesterday, and she didn't even bring her bathing suit.
I did, it's in the car.
It's in the car, but that's like a 5-hour walk from here.
No, it's not.
It's really weird right now. I just sat down, and then everybody started to just like grab their shit and leave. It's not because like I'm here or anything, but it's just because like, look at this. They're packing up.
Because PJ farted.
They're packing up. These people up here are packing up. Everybody's packing up and leaving. I don't know if I'm missing out, like that everyone's trying to beat the traffic or not, but Trish is gonna show you something cool. Trish, show them that cool thing that you can do with your mouth. Okay. Or your face. That's pretty cool, eh? Trish, you going in the water?
No, it's too cold.
The water actually here is colder than doing the polar plunge back home. Right, Rig?
I don't know what the polar plunge is, but yes.
It's when they dig a hole in the ice and then dive down.
Oh. Because it's
Why? Alright. Let me show you guys something. Like, look at this crap. This is absolutely gross. That's like, well, this is the, they got that netted off so that people don't go in there. This is the lagoon of the Malibu Lagoon. And the lagoon is, it's, well, if you guys look up lagoon in the dictionary is something along the lines of, where farm animals pee and poo. And it's just a lagoon. I'm pretty sure. I haven't looked at it, but that's what I'm assuming. And I want to pretty much just say though, that Trish,
Yeah.
this beach friggin' sucks.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, okay. I mean, it's only good for if people want to surf.
It's nice.
Is it nice for swimming though?
No.
Then look over there. If you see over there, someone actually brought their little grill. So what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go drive back.
We gotta pack it up
Yeah, we're gonna pack
after no swimming.
Yep.
Wait, I want you to do your slow-mo best beach body run, like as if you're a lifeguard.
I can't do that.
Try it.
I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate you, complicate you.
What do you think? That's good.
I purposely tried to make it funny, so don't make fun of me.
Okay. But yeah, the sand here isn't like sugar, but it's like brown sugar. It's already full of sand. No, don't. Ah! Trish, don't. We have to walk in the water. Alright guys, so pretty much I hope you like the beach. You got to see the beach and more than the beach. The water's nice and warm and it's really delicious. Now we're gonna head back and have a good time. Trish, wait for me. You're going way too far.
Oh, okay, here, go stand out there by the beach and I'm gonna take a nice little video of you.
Okay. This friggin' such a low budget beach that they don't even have places for you to rinse off your feet.
It's a surfer's beach.
What's that mean?
I don't know.
Yeah, you can't even friggin' rinse off your feet. No spray places, nothing. So I'm walking back with dirty feet. I'll probably just wait till they dry, dust off the sand and wear sandy shoes back to the friggin' car. I don't want to though. And then looks like somebody had a little trail here so we can find out how to get home. Trisha's really worried that we won't be able to find our way back.
I'm not worried at all, I know where to go.
So we're just walking back, but to get from Malibu Beach you take this, you walk all the way along where they are, and then that's how you get to the beach. So if you think you're just gonna park and then walk in, it's about 2 kilometers in.
No, not even.
Trish, how can you always say like no?
2 kilometers is wrong. 1 kilometer.
All right, maybe 1 kilometer.
1.5.
1.5. That's what they do, I guess. But the walk back, if you're dehydrated and you had a couple drinks on the beach, don't picture yourself making it back to your car by walking straight.
I walk straight when I'm drunk.
Trish, you're lying.
I'm not.
People that say they can walk straight when they're drunk, I don't have time for them.
Will you have time for me?
Just got back, a little tired, a little fatigued, Didn't get enough water into me as I would have liked to. Didn't get a nice meal into me. But I did, we did finally go to the movies. We've been wanting to go to the movies for a while because like that's our thing. Every time we go somewhere, we always go and see their theater. We got a big bucket of popcorn. We got this little thing of ranch, which was terrible. And then on the way home, I got some Mexican street food that I ate here that I was gonna show you guys, but I decided not to show you guys because I needed to get something into me and I got it in quick. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for checking out Malibu with me. I hope it was as good for you as it was for me. The beach wasn't good. We'll see you guys after you comment down below if you would like to go to that beach from what you've seen.
The beaches were good, PJ.
What?
The beaches were good.
Why? How do you know the beaches were good?
You know they were good.
Okay. Trish thought the beach was good. You guys decide. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.